finally ordered a new throttle cable for the dirt bike because I broke the 7th one the other day, and it came and it was the wrong one. So I just got the new one. Hopefully this one will fit. We can put it on and then take it for a rip. But there's only one problem. It's been a really light winter and we barely got any snow, and now it's almost April, the end of March, and we got a bunch of snow. So we're going to be taking this thing in the snow and it's going to be great. Arnold Palmer. We got the throttle cable on, and everything's tightened up as much as it can be. I don't know why I can't talk, but I think it's time to send it. So let's go take it for a ride, and we'll see how it does. Day 2, so now we can finally take this thing for a ride. We lost some of our snow last night. It might have rained. I don't know. I had my ears closed. But first, I just want to go over. I've had a couple comments asking what kind of dirt bike it was, so we haven't really gone over that. It's a 1997 Yamaha RT 100. We got it for $400, and it needed a new piston. We needed to bore that out and get new rings and all that. So we completely rebuilt the top end. We have a new back tire, new spokes, new rim lock, new rear shocks. We rebuilt the front forks. It's got new twist grip. It's got quite a few new throttle cables. It has a new chain, new front and rear sprocket, new air filter, new air box, new fuel cock thing, new line. We had to go through the carburetor and rebuild that a couple times. And new hand guards. I'm sure I'm forgetting some stuff, but we bought it for it was $400, and I think we have like $600 or $700 into it right now. So I'm probably gonna be able to sell it for quite a bit when I do, but that's not gonna be for a while. So let's go for a rip. Sorry if this is not a very long time of sending. With all this snow, I can't really carry the tripod around on it, so I have to get up and move it every time, and it just takes a while. So hopefully we have a good video. Let's go send it. It started first kick cold last time, so that was good. Let's see how it starts right now. guys, Blake's warmed up. I think it's party time. If you guys see me slipping around a lot, it's because if you guys haven't driven snow before, it's a lot different than driving on dirt, obviously. It just makes the front tires slip around, but other than that, it's doing pretty good. I think I'm gonna try this hill climb. The camera doesn't really quite show how steep it is, but it's very steep, especially in the snow. So we'll see if I make it or not. It is very hot out here, so I'm just taking a little break. But I'm trying to do something new now. I used to try to do a video every Friday, and as you can see, that wasn't working very good. Sorry, I haven't had a video in so long. But now I'm going to try to do one every other Friday. Hopefully that will work better. Obviously, I'm going to still do maybe like a couple shorts a week, but just trying to see if that will work a little bit better.